How to fix Roblox closes instantly after launching on Windows. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for disk cleanup. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select the files where your Roblox is placed. Click on OK and then select the files. After you do that, simply click on Clean Up System Files. Press on yes and then click on OK and you're good to go. After that, you can simply restart your device. After restarting your device, simply open Roblox and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Roblox closes instantly after launching on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.